Thanks for clicking. The London St. Thomas Association of Realtors, LSTAR, released its September update for the London real estate market today, showing a number of price drops across the board as the real estate market shifts more and more in the favor of homebuyers. This comes at a time when CMHC is predicting that Canada's real estate prices will drop by 15% by mid-2023, and RBC releasing a report saying that not only has London's real estate market experienced the second largest price declines in Ontario, more is yet to come. So what I want to do today is go over London's real estate prices in September, take a look at how the market has shifted since our peak in February, and then discuss some tips for those getting into the real estate market now. As we'll see today, London's real estate market has shifted in favor of the homebuyer and is likely to continue to do so for the foreseeable future. We'll continue to have updates out on London's real estate market on this channel every month. Click like and subscribe if you want to get those updates, but for now, let's get into September's data. First off, the benchmark price for London and St. Thomas. The benchmark price, if you'll remember, that's the price of the home which represents the most popular set of features. The benchmark price in September in London was $596,900, which was down from August $599,500. So about a $3,000 drop, not a major drop, but a $3,000 drop nonetheless. And we saw something very similar with the average price of a home in London. The average price of a home in September was $628,563, which was down from August $632,400. So again, about a $4,000 drop in the average price of a home in London in September. Not a major drop, but we're still shifting downwards. The median price of a home in London, however, was up in September. The median price of a home, that's where half as many homes are sold above that price and half as many homes are sold below that price. The median price of a home in London in September was $590,000, which was up from $585,000 for the median price of a home that we saw in August. However, while the median price of a home was up, the sales to list price ratio continued to slide. The sales to list price ratio, the SLPR, measures by how much a home goes under or over asking price. So if a house is listed at $100,000 and it sells for $90,000, the sales to list price ratio would be 90. The SLPR was down in September to 97.3, down from August's 97.8, and way down from February's 125.6. So, on average, homes went for 0.5% more under asking than they did in August. So, benchmark price and average price and the sales to list price ratio all down in September. And when we look at the months of inventory measurement, we can see why. The months of inventory measurement, the MOI, looks at if there were no more homes that came to market, how long would it take for London's market to have no more homes available? That number was up to 3 months in September, up from 2.5 months in August. If no more homes came to market, we wouldn't be out of inventory for 3 months, which, as we'll see, is definitely a big change from our peak that we saw in February. And homes are taking longer to sell than they did last month as well. If we look at the median days on market in September, that number was up to 22, whereas the median days on market in August was 21. So, in summary, the benchmark and the average price are down marginally from August. We have about another half a month worth of inventory available. Homes are selling for more money under asking price than they did the month prior, and homes are taking marginally longer to sell as well. All in all, we see the market shifting more towards the favor of the homebuyer, though not as fast as it was for the past 6 months. And given that some are saying that the real estate market is currently being propped up by pre-approvals that were obtained a few months ago, look for this trend to continue. If we look at September's data, we see that homes are sitting on the market longer than they did for the past few months. They're going for more under asking than they used to, and we have a lot more inventory available. We have 3 months of inventory available on the market, when at our peak in February, we only had 0.5 months worth of inventory available. So we've added about half a month's worth of inventory over the past month, and with homes sitting on the market for much longer than they used to and going for more under asking than they used to, the power is shifting, has shifted in favor of the home buyer. And that means that home buyers can ask for conditions. They can ask for an appraisal condition, a finance condition, a home inspection condition, when they're submitting their offers. And this flies in the face of some of the things I've been seeing in the market as of late, with advisors, with realtors telling their clients they won't be getting their offer accepted if they have a home inspection, if they have a finance condition in place. And that's just not the case anymore. This is no longer the peak of the market where homes are going for 25% over asking. In fact, we're not even at the bottom yet. So the power has shifted towards the home buyer, and home buyers need to keep this in mind when they're shopping for a home. If they're going to get into this market at this point in time, when home prices are only set to go lower for the coming weeks and months ahead, then they have the power. They are able to submit conditions. They can and should submit conditions with their offer to ensure that the house that they're getting is what they want, that it's in good shape, and to ensure that their financing is 100% lined up, that the mortgage lender is happy with the property as well. So, in summary, the benchmark price and the average price are both down in London, though marginally. Homes are going for more under asking. We have much more inventory, and that inventory is sitting marginally longer on the market. Definitely, we're seeing the shift towards that of a buyer's market, and we'll continue to have updates out on that shift on this channel every month. Click like and subscribe if you want to get those updates, but for now, thanks so much for watching.